In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the phone number field required in the Shopify checkout shipping address. If you're running an online store on Shopify, ensuring that you have all the necessary customer details is crucial, and having the phone number of your customers can be incredibly beneficial. Whether it's for informing them about their order's delivery status or handling any potential issues during shipping, having this information is key for a seamless shopping experience. So let's dive right into how you can set this up in just a few simple steps. First, to begin the process, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store's homepage. Once you're there, look around for the settings option. It's typically located at the bottom left of the admin panel. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll find a variety of configurations you can adjust. But today, our focus will be on the checkout settings. Next, once you're in the settings area, continue by selecting the checkout option. At this point, you'll see a range of settings that impact the checkout process. For our purposes, we want to direct our attention to an option labeled Shipping Address Phone Number. Finding this specific setting may not always be obvious at first glance, so take your time to scroll through this section until you find it. When you locate the Shipping Address Phone Number setting, you'll probably notice that by default, it's set to Optional. And here is where the magic happens. We need to change this option from optional to required. By doing so, you're making it mandatory for customers to input their phone numbers during checkout, which can provide a smoother communication journey in the long run. Once you've adjusted this setting to required, don't forget the most critical part. Hit that Save button. It's often found at the top right of the page and might be highlighted to grab your attention. Saving your changes ensures that your updated settings are logged into your store's system, so your adjustments take immediate effect. By following these simple steps, you've successfully made it mandatory for customers to provide their phone numbers when they purchase from you. This minor change can have a significant impact on how you manage customer interactions and deliveries. And there you have it. A straightforward way to refine your Shopify checkout process, giving you an additional layer of connection with your customers. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, feel free to explore other Shopify settings to enhance your store even further. Thank you for watching, and have a great day running your store.